Hello everyone, welcome today on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday in the daily newspaper of February the 11th, 2021. Yes, 2021. Today with only one regular Sudoku. One regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, there is also an additional with extra Sudokus. But first, we will solve this baby. This will be number 2309. 2309. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star, 27, 1 star, 26, 2 stars, 25, 3 stars, 24, 4 stars. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, here, no, we see here 3, no 3 here. Only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 3. I need to wait. Need to wait. Need to wait. How about the number 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the middle column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Need to wait. How about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 6, and then 9. Yes, 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 in those two boxes. One box left for the 6. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. 4 and 7, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. And then 2 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. 2 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Yeah. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. And we have a pair, I see. 1 and a 6 in this row, 1 and a 6 in the last row. So the row between the 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means in this row we have 1 box left in this row for the number 5. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the column between, the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. You see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. I need more information. Alright. How about those 2 boxes in this row? The missing numbers here are the 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes again. Alright, it's a pair. How about these 2 boxes in the third column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes and there. Now we have a 6 here, so this can be 6 anymore. This should be the 6 and this should be a 2. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. We see a 1, 3. So no 1, 3 in this box. The 1 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 9 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 8 and the 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. These 2 numbers in the second row for the numbers 6 and 5. 6 and 5 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. So we have an 8 in this last column. 8 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 9 and 3. 9 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes again. There are a lot of pairs. All right. So, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. All right. I need pairs. I need pairs. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. 4 should be here. 4. How about these? 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, and 1, 3, 5, and a 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. All right. Ha ha. My brain freeze. 9 and a 3. We already have a 9 there. Yes, my brain freeze. It's also cold here, so it's freezing. So my brain is freezing. Yes. 9. We already have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9. This should be the 9. Alright, and this should be a 3. Alright, now we have a 9 here, so this can't be 9 anymore. This should be a 9. And this should be a 6. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this can't be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 1. Alright. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. These 2 boxes in this big square, the 5 and the 2. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Alright. And how about 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, and yeah, we need a 1 here, of course. In the last column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. There 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 6 there, so this can't be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this can't be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 6 over there, so this can't be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this can't be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 5 here, so this can't be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, this should be a 2. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Alright. Yes, brain freeze. And because it's very cold here, my heater is off. Yes. No heater here. My heater is broken. So could be happen, brain freeze. But I like this Sudoku Medium. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye-bye.